We will practice phoneme isolation. Listen as I say the following words. Nose, rope. I hear the O in the middle of nose and rope. Listen as I stretch the middle sound. O, s, r, o. The middle sound is O in both words. Tell me the middle sound you hear in the following words. We'll do the first one together. Boat. Boat. The middle sound was the O. I want you to try the next few on your own, and I will check in with you. Again, you are listening for the middle sound. Phone. Phone. So that middle sound was the O. Here's your next word. Dime. I. The middle sound was the I. Leaf. E. The middle sound was the E. Mule. 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 That middle sound was the U. Last one. Rake. Rake. The middle sound was the A. We are going to again discuss words that have more than one syllable. Let's take a look here at this word. When words are made up of smaller parts, we call those syllables. And one vowel sound is heard in each syllable. When you see a vowel, consonant, E spelling, know that this syllable is only, this sound is going to be that long sound, and that is only one syllable. Go ahead, look for a part of the word you might know. I think you know this part. Up, up. Now we have to sound out this part. Remember that the A and the E is a long A sound. Date, date. Let's put those two together. Update. So the word is update. Let's go ahead and I want us to find where the syllable separates. Here we go. Update. I noticed that it was between the B and the D. This is where it separates. Let's take a look at another example. We're going to look at this one here. Let's start by looking at the vowels. Here I see a U, consonant, but there's not an E, so we can assume this will be a short U. Let's sound that out. Sun. Now if we look over here at this part, I see an I, consonant, E. Well, that I and E will work together to be a long sound. Let's sound this part out. Shine, shine. Let's put those two syllables together. Sun, shine, sunshine. Now I want us to separate it. Where does the syllable separate? Put your hand under your chin and let's say it. Sun, shine. Where does it separate? Between the N and the S. Here's our next one. Again, we're going to find the vowels. So there's an A, an O, and an E. Well, we know the O and the E will be a long sound. It's O, consonant, E, so it's going to be an O. This A has a W after it, but there's no E. So this is a short A sound, so just A. Awoke. Awoke. The word is awoke. Let's go ahead and separate it. Awoke. Where should I draw my line? Between the A and the W. Okay, we are going to just do these two over here, okay? Let's go ahead and I want you to try and find all the vowels on your own. I'll give you a few seconds. Well, we have an E, we have an A, and we have another E. Remember, A, consonant E, this is a long vowel sound. Over here, E, S, so it's E, consonant, and another consonant, so this is just going to be a short E sound. S, K, A. Let's put that together, escape. Escape. The word is escape. I want you to tell me where the syllables separate. Put your hand under your chin and say the word escape. How many times does your hand go down? It goes down 2 times and it separates between the S and the C. Escape. Let's take a look at this word down here. Again, find all the vowels. I'll give you a few seconds to do that. The vowels are an O, E, and a U. Now, we need to decide if it's a long sound or a short sound with these vowels. Well, here I see O, consonant E. Well, that's going to be a long sound from here. It's going to be a long O, and that E is silent. Let's look here. U, consonant, but there's nothing after it. Well, that's going to be a short sound, so it's going to be Let's go ahead and we'll sound out the word. O, 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 hope, O, full, hopeful. The word is hopeful. Go ahead and tell me where the syllables are separated. Hand under your chin. It separates between the E and the F. What you hear, though, is hopeful. You hear a P as the last sound in hope, but that's because the E is silent. What's the next sound you hear in hopeful? Hopeful. It's that F. So remembering that that E is silent, that means this is going to separate between the E and the F. We're going to review our sight words. Let's go ahead. We have ago, boy, girl, people, old, how. Here's a trick question for you. What word am I hiding underneath me? Which sight word? I have a go there. Nice job. Let's try one more. Okay, what word is underneath my picture? I have people. We're going to go ahead and read these sentences. Our first job, though, is we need to find the sight words in them. Now we're looking for our sight words, so these from this week, in these sentences. Do you see any of our sight words in this sentence? There's 2 of them. Okay, tell me what they are. Old and boy. Let's go ahead and read the sentence. Oh, actually, there's 3. How? How old is that boy? Nice. How old and boy? Let's look at the next sentence. What sight words are in this one? Girl and ago. Let's read the sentence. I met a girl named Eve 5 days ago. Last one, which of these is a sight word? People. Let's go ahead and we'll read the sentence. Lots of people went on the hike. Keep practicing those sight words. They should be mastered soon.